Hey, hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you a solution for the naked pedal, or the pedal where your left foot goes, that is uncovered in the Chevrolet Bolt EV. I went on to get this pedal cover from Amazon, and I selected this one because of the good reviews from other Bolt EV owners, Ampera-e owners, that said that the footrest was well covered with this one. Let's see if it works and if it's worth your money. If you're new to the video, please subscribe. Let's go. Yeah, and here in the Chevrolet Bolt EV you can already see what I mean. Here you put your left foot, and as you've seen in one of my videos in the past, it gets very dirty here. And you have dirt, sand attaching to it, but especially in the winter time, if you put your foot there and if you live in an area with a lot of road salt, that gets in your carpet. Over time, your carpet starts to deteriorate and doesn't look as nice anymore. So ideally you would like to see this protected. Unfortunately, in the 2017 to 2019, 2020 Chevrolet Bolt EV, that's not possible. And there are only two options that you have. First is you can buy yourself an expensive floor liner that covers the whole area. But maybe you like these type of mats and you like to change them, and then a floor liner is not your thing. In that case, a solution like this would be good. So it's basically a steel aluminium pedal cover which has these adhesive strips, and then you can put it here where your footrest is to make sure it is optimum protected, and it also has some grip. And then basically everything drips down on the floor mat and not in your carpet anymore. Let's see what it looks like after you apply it. These are some pretty decent strips. You have 3 of them in total, and as you see, this pedal cover is big enough, so let's put it. And as you can see, with the pedal cover in place, the carpet is well protected, and you can just put your foot against it. It's all the way against the heel of your foot, and on the top my toes are not touching the carpet, and it goes directly onto the pedal and into the floor mat. I think it's a pretty good solution. Of course it will not replace a high quality floor liner, but that'll easily set you back $200, 200 euros or pounds. And this solution here on Amazon I was able to pick up for $20. A link in the description where I got it from. Hope you found it useful. Are you a Chevrolet Bolt EV or Ampera-e owner here in Europe with Opel or with Vauxhall? Have you found a good solution for this? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a great week. Ciao.